Hello everyone, thanks for watching videos. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to learn about retry mechanism without JMS queues. Actually, we have seen already how to retry the failed messages, how to reprocess the failed messages using JMS adapter and JMS mechanism using some JMS queues. But here, without JMS queues, how can we retry? How can we resend the failure message? Today we are going to see. Actually, guys, why we have to avoid this JMS queues? Okay, uh, so that is main question here. See, with JMS we will have we have limited queues, guys. Around 35 queues we will have along with CPI license. And if you need extra queues, again we have to pay extra to SAP to purchase extra queues. So to avoid that, as well as it will occupy more memory. Actually, let's say we are using suppose 10 queues. 10 queues holds the data. If suppose in case of any failures, minimum one day it will holds the data, and also memory issues will be there. Okay, it will occupy the some memory. So queue will be minimum expiry date is one day. Even if it is the data issue or any other issues, if you want to delete again, we have to monitor and we have to delete the clear the queues, right? So that unwanted data persistence, to avoid that without JMS, better to configure the iflows for iflows with retry. Okay, so now without JMS we are going to learn how to implement the retry mechanism. Okay, so guys, it is very simple and very straightforward. It is not much difficult when compared to even JMS also. Okay, so here I have this is very simple scenario, guys. I have taken as example, and this is from what data I'm pulling the data. That XML data I'm converting into CSV, and I'm placing the file into some target SFTP folder. Okay, SFTP folder is mine is some SFTP folder, guys. In previous classes we have already learned about how to create SFTP folders and connect it and everything we have learned already. So this scenario, see, let me deploy this scenario. I kept run once here. So once I this deploy the iflow, immediately it will initiate and it will run the iflow. So what I will do, go here, and this is my SFTP target folder, and come here, guys. This is my cloud connector. I will check the on-prem cloud connector connectivity. It is not reachable. Why? Because server is not available. Just I start the server and I will check. So it is reachable now. So the connectivity and everything is available. So just I will deploy it and it will trigger the message. Okay, wait a minute, wait a minute. So this successfully deployed. Come here, the message successfully generated, and the file has been placed in the SFTP folder. Okay, this is successful case. Okay, in failure case, in one attempt it will fail. But if you want to retry 2 to 3 more times or more times until it will, suppose due to some network glitches or due to some intermittent issue with SFTP server, any other server, if you want to reprocess this same message, suppose first attempt it failed and second attempt it may successful. So in that cases, what we will do, we will implement the retry mechanism. Okay, we will implement using JMS queues, as well as without JMS queues also we can implement it. Okay, JMS queues already we have seen. Now without without JMS queues, how can we handle it, we will see. So here, guys, what I will do, I will take one more integration flow here. I will split into two iflows, guys, here. So once it is immediately, okay, so once it is immediately come here, right? So what I will do, Till here say my flow I will maintain. I will give this end I flow here in this, and I will end message here. Okay, I will end message here. So what I will do here now, this is, and I will take one more start event, start message here, and I will pause it here. Okay. So now what I will do here, I have ended, right, this one, and let me, this is my mail server. Okay, this is my mail server, and here I will take one receiver, and as well I will take one sender here. Okay, so I will take here as a process direct adapter, process direct adapter. Here I will give retry. Okay, I will give retry. At the same time, I will take here this again process direct adapter will take same retry. Okay, here retry underscore RCV receiver, here retry underscore sender. Okay, this one is, this is receiver and this is sender. Okay, so I have taken here, right? So I will take one more you know exception sub process here, guys. One more exception sub process. So guys, what I will do here now, please just follow me. See, once the message fails due to connectivity issue, the error will be captured by this exception sub process, right? Once it will enter, then this exception sub process will be captured. Okay, so that's why I have kept here. What I will do, I will take local call here, local call process call. Okay, once it failed, the exception sub process will capture the error, and it I will redirect to one more sub process, one more local process, local integration process for retry. This is local integration process for retry, guys. Okay, so from here I will call this local integration process. Okay, I will call this local integration process. Okay, after calling the local integrations process here, I will take external call send message. Think send will not work. I will send this to receiver again. Okay, here again I will take the process direct. I will keep here like process direct underscore retry on failure. Whenever it fails, right, it will retry. Okay, it will resend to same what it is, same address. It will send to same address. From here it will pick again, it will process resend. Okay, until successful loop will be iterated, right? So uh, before this what I will do, Let me save it whether it send is not working. Why? Because send will not work, not supported adapter. So inside the, inside the local process, send is not working. So what I will do, I will take request reply. Okay, I'll copy process direct, where it is process direct, and paste it, and I will remove it. Okay, I will remove it. So see guys, I'm retrieving the data and I am sending back. Okay, see, before that what I will do, I have to send the same data which I am receiving from here, right? Whatever I am receiving from here, same data I have to send here. So for that purpose, what I will do, first of all, okay, I will store the data in one variable using content modifier. In this content modifier, in exchange property, I will store the body. Okay, this is like csv load, csv payload. This is x path. What I will do, this is expression, not x path, expression. We are storing the body. So to store the body, we will use the, expression like dollar dollar in dot bod body. Here now, java dot lang dot string, java dot lang dot string, s capital. This is the data type. Okay, java dot. So I am storing this payload. Okay, next one, what I will do, I will send the same body to here, right? I want to send in failure case. Here also I will take one more content modifier case. In failure case, I will place the same body into this content modifier body. Okay. For this, I will give expression. What is the property, guys? See, once, so a data pull converted into CSV. Just observe here, guys. Converted into CSV and send this via, process direct. I redirected to this iflow, internal iflow, and I saved the body in one variable, one property, that is called csv payload. Okay, csv payload, right? csv forward send, and I send to try. Suppose due to some internal connectivity or network issue, some internet issue, so it is unable to place the file in the sftp. Then what will it will fail? If in the fail, this exception suppressor will fail, it will capture the fail case. And I have calling the local process integration here, and through here again I am storing the body in, I'm storing that, payload in main body again, property dot that payload, that property again. So same body I'm placing in the main body. So now it will resend to here. Okay, again process the same body. Again it will store the same body in variable. Again if it fails, again it will process the same body. If it not fails, then it will process and it will end the, iflow. Okay, this is the, retry mechanism which I have used, guys. So now I will try to resend, and one failure case we will see, and we will send the data. Okay, so save, I have saved it. Okay, now I will check the, this status. Okay, so first of all we will see the success status. Okay, this is my target folder, guys. I am going to delete this file. So this folder is empty. Now after processing, we will see save and deploy. Okay, have deployed it. Here, guys, it is not yet deployed in the status. So successfully deployed. It is in error status. It is not deployed. Why? It is not deployed. Something went wrong. Might be I have used another retry. So here what I will do, um, retry one failure. I will keep the address here. Might be this retry I already using in another iflows. That's why it is not taking. So I'm giving some different variable here. Okay, save. I have changed the variable address in each process direct adapter. Okay, and I'll try to deploy it. Let's wait for now deployment. Status is now not deployed. So started, and this is successful. Like guys, come here. See guys, it is successful, right? Guys, always we have to keep this as an error and event. So in failure case also we can see the completed status. So we have to keep this as error message, error event, error message, error end message, error error end event. It is end message, error end event. Yes, error end event. We'll give the error end event here so that no status will be appear whenever in failure case here, else it will appear as a completed. Okay, so I have kept as a error event save. Okay, and I'll enable the trace here. Okay, now what I will do, see here I have deleted the file, right? So new file came, so it is successful. Again I am going to delete the file. Okay, here if you see this is reachable, what I will do, I will stop the server. So server is not available. If you check the status here, the server is not available, sftp server. Okay, now again I will deploy it. Again I will deploy it. So it will come here and it will go here through process director. If it will fails, it will come here and it will redirect to local process, and again it will pick the same payload and it will retry to, until unless the server is available, it will keep on retrying and retrying without JMS. Okay, now deploy it. Okay, I have deployed. If you see now, it is successfully deployed. Yes, successfully deployed. If you go here now, what happened? See guys, it is processing, one two times processing. See, it is again and again processing and processing and processing. Same message going and coming. Here failing, here while placing the file it is failing. Why? Because server is not available. And again reprocessing back. Okay, again same address used, and again it is processing back to this flow. So this is like loop, it is keep on processing. See guys, processing and processing and processing. So I will start the server now. Okay, here if you see, it is reachable. Now finally, after so many failures, it will be completed. See guys, this is completed finally. If you see here, files will be appear, new file. Got it? After so many failures, it will be completed. Took 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, every 1 minute. After again, see 12:52, 14, right? It is completed successfully finally. Okay, successfully placed. See. So this is how we will develop the iFlow. Suppose guys, so my client will ask us like, suppose the server is not available, so some 1 day or 2 day or 3 days, whatever though. Okay, our server is sometimes it will take more than 1 hour or 2 hours to up, or some maintenance in weekends, so that time also it will be an you know not reachable status. In that case, our CPI keep on retrying, failing, retrying, failing, retrying, failing, retrying, failing. So that is not suggestible, right? Those many failures are not suggestible. Those many retries are not suggestible. Why? Because it has to retry for minimal 1, 2, or 3 or 4 times retries. If the 4 times still it is not working, it will fail. It should fail, and it has to send the mail notification to the particular team saying that this is not reachable or not available because of this SFTP server is not available or else not responding. Okay, so to do that, what we have to do? Okay, so for that, what I will do here now, uh, so I will using groovy script. Okay, using groovy script, I will retry the uh, the failure case. We will resend the message for 3 or 4 times max. That's it. If still 3 to 4 attempts it is not working, then we will send out a mail to the particular team saying that this has been failed in CP. Got it right? After 2, 3, 4 failures, still it is not reaching, then we will send the message to the particular team saying that it is not reachable. Okay, so that thing how can we implement in means we using groovy script we will implement that. Okay, after immediately coming here, what I will do, I will use one groovy script guys. Okay, I will use one groovy script. This is end event, right? I will take one more end event here. Okay, I will take one more end event here before this. Okay, before this, what I will do, I will write one groovy here. So, guys, suppose I want to retry for 3 times. 3 times in the sense, how can we do that? We will see. Okay, 3 times means, so here I will take the one content modifier. Okay, here content modifier name store count count. So in header, okay, I will add the count variable, count constant 1. It should start with 1. Okay, count should start with 1 constant value. So so I have taken this in where guys, I have taken this in header part. Okay, header part to allow this integration process block, header to this integration process block. Then we have to enable the headers at configuration level. Guys, you people should remember this. Without enabling that, it will not work. By default it will not be like this guys. You have to keep star, then only these headers will be passed to this block, this integration process block, else this address will not process. Okay, in that case we can't implement this logic. Okay, we should always keep in runtime configuration, we have to keep allowed headers star, so it will allow the all headers to display from this block to this block. Okay, after allowing the headers here, see, I will show you one case. This file is there, right? It is in start status deploy. I have kept one header, right? Completed, two completed. So this is second block. So here two iflows, so two blocks executed. So this is first block, this is second block. This is the first block and this is the second block. In second block I will see, this is our second block, right? We can see the headers of first block. This store count, I have stored one, I have created one header property, right? Count header property. You can see in this block as well. This is the block, right? This is the end point I have selected. Go here and you can see the count equal to 1. Okay, you can see the header port here. Suppose let's say if the runtime configuration, the headers are not available, so in headers, if I remove the star, then the headers will not be passed from this block to this block. Okay, the headers will not be pass from this block to this block. It will end here. Okay, go here, one, two, come here. This is first one here, right? And the second one I will check. Go here. See guys, same, click on end. Okay, here. See, headers are not there. Headers are trimmed here itself. Okay, the headers trimmed here. So we should keep the star in as hollow headers. Okay, done. This part done, guys. And next, what I'll do, so here my question is here, guys. We should retry this 2 to 3 times only. Okay, after 2 to 3 times we have to send a notification saying that it is not working. So that how can we implement, we'll see. So once I load here, I will write a Groovy script. Okay, I will write a Groovy script. This is one end, keep it here. I will write Groovy script here. Guys, I have prepared Groovy script already. I will explain the each and every step, you come to know. Okay, it is easy. So I have written on Groovy script, right? For time being, I have written Groovy script. This is my Groovy script, guys. See definition. I have defined the message process data. In message data, I have captured the body, entire body in a body variable. Okay, this is the method to get the body. Define body equal to message dot get body. Okay, define map equal message dot get headers. I am getting the headers from this body using this body, in the sense this this message this body message contains everything: headers, properties and body. Okay, headers, properties and body. Okay, so I using another get headers method, I get the headers and I store the headers, all headers into map variable. So again define count. Oh, I defined this count value as a variable and map dot get count. So I am storing this count value into this count value variable. Okay, this count value into this count value variable. Whatever count, what is the count available here, guys? In the header, 1 is there, right? Okay, this is 1 is there. Okay, 1. So count value stores the 1. It is stores as in string format. We have defined right here. No, not defined. No? Okay, no. So by default it will store as a string string format. So for this string format I will convert into integer. This is the syntax, guys, to convert the string value to integer value. I have converted this string value into converter. So and I have stored that converted value into I. So now after this step I contains 1. Okay, I contains 1 and I equal to count value as integer. I am storing here. And I have defined one more string, guys, here, string value retry and failure. Okay, retry and failure. See, if I less than 4, I less than 4, first in iteration, what is there guys here? I is 1, 1 less than 4. Yeah, it is true. It is true, right? It will go ahead. Retry and failure, yes. Retry and failure, yes, right? So now what I will do, just carefully observe here guys. What I will do here, I will take the router condition. At the same time, I will first I will write a groovy here. Groovy script. Take groovy script. Okay, create groovy script. Just I will copy and paste. Okay, this is our groovy script, right? So it here, what I have done here, if I is less than 4, I is less than see, I have taken 4. Why I have taken 4? It should retry for 3 times. Okay, it should retry for only 3 times. Okay, 3 times in the sense, first I equal to 1, 1 less than 4, true. Then it will go and retry is false. Retry and failure, yes. It means it will retry for second iteration. Again, what I am doing here, I am incrementing the I value. I am incrementing the value means the I value will be 2. Okay, in next iteration I value will be 2. Okay, next iteration I value will be 2. 2, right? Same I value again I am putting into header count. Now count is 2, right? I have incremented the I value to 2, and I am storing the same integer I value in count header value. See, set count header value. Right? So for next failure, it will go to here. Now message dot set property equal retry and failure retry. What is retry and failure now? Yes only. If yes means it has to retry. Again it will go here and count value is now 2, 2 less than 4, 2 less than 4, true. So again it will retry. Again I have incremented the integer value. Now integer value is 3. Again it will go here 3, 3 less than 4. This is third time, right? 3 less than 4 is true or false? True. True. So again it will retry and failure. Again I will set into, I will increment this integer value to now 4. It will store the count in 4. Okay, again it will come here. Now count is 4, I is 4, 4 less than 4, false. It will come here. No, it will go to no, right? It will, based on this retry and failure variable, I will route the message. Okay, just carefully listen. Okay, I have created it. So what I will do after retry, right? After retry, I will take the router. Okay, router in the sense, based on this retry value, retry and failure value, if it is yes, it will go here. If it is not yes or no, it will go to here. Okay, this router, right? I will keep 2 branches. Okay, I will keep 2 branches. Okay, in this branch, what I will do, in this branch, okay, I will give non-XML. So guys, if you see, observe here, I set the property. Okay, I set the property retry and failure, right? If retry and failure equal to yes, I will send the I will retry again. Okay, if not, then it will go to this branch. So I will give, this is the default branch. Then it means if it is it fails, I mean this condition fails, automatically it will go and it will end here. Okay, so still here, fine, no problem. Now so I have to keep the condition here, right? I'll keep the condition dollar property dot property name, guys. This is the property name. I set the property, right? This is the property name, property, okay, equaled yes. If property equal to yes, then it will retry. Okay, see the first iteration. See, one more thing I wanted to tell you. See guys, here count is 1, right? Set header count is 1. It will come here in groovy. Okay, now count is 1. Okay, count is 1, 1 less than 4, right? 1 less than 4 means retry and failure equal to y. It means we have to retry the message. So same I set the header. So this variable contains yes. Okay, now after setting the retry on failure value as yes, after setting this, and again I have incremented integer value I equal I plus 1. I means earlier it was 1, right? 1 plus 1 2, so I contains 2 now. Again I set the header as 2. Okay, now count variable contains 2 value, right? So guys, after retrying here, it will go where? Directly it will go to here. So this count it will not take. This incremental count it will go here. Okay, now count again it will come to here. If again it will retry second time also, suppose second time also this SFTP fails, but again it will come to here for second time. Again it will increment. I value increment. Now 2 less than 4 true, so again it will retry, and I will it will go here again, and again it will retry. Still again third no, so second iteration also failed. Again it will come here. Count is now 3, 3 less than 4, yes true. Again it will retry. It will set the variable value as retry failure equal to yes, and if yes it will go here. At the same time I have increment the value to 4. Fourth time 4 less than 4. Fourth less than 4 is false. False means it will go to here. Now retry and failure is no. Because retry and failure is no, right? So this condition will fail. This branch condition will fail. So automatically it will go to another branch here. Here what I will do? I will send the email notification in the last what it is in the last iteration. So for that what I will do? External call here. I will keep one more request reply. Yes, and I will take one more receiver, and I will send the mail notification. Finally it failed in CPI due to bit error. I hope you people understood. Practice it guys, once you come to know retry and failure. Okay, it will go here, it will go here, it will retry, and it will come. So this groovy is very important guys. So every time it will increase the count. So why I have set the count before means after increment the count, it will not go here, it will go here. Okay, if the fails again, it will count will be incremented. Once the count reaches to 4, it will send the mail notification. Okay, this is the mail configuration I have already done. So guys, I will open the mail also. This is my Gmail. So many failures are there already. Okay, save. So save. So what happened is some issue is there guys, not supported by the adapter. Maybe this adapter is not support. We should use the send adapter, sorry, some send palette function here. For here mail adapter we have to use. I'm copying the same configuration here as well. Paste. Okay. Save it. Yeah, it is working. So sorry. Here we should take default. Why? Okay, here from here we have to take, sorry, not here. We'll take it as a default branch. Okay, here condition. If condition fails, it will go. If condition satisfies, it will come here. Okay, every time. See, this is very easy, guys. Groovy also, it's not difficult, very much difficult. Actually, in previous, you know, in previous this one, right? This one we have set the count equal to 1. Okay, count equal to 1. So first iteration, count equal to 1, count all I less than 4, yes, it is true, so it will retry. In second time also it will fail, again count will be increased. Count will be increased right here. Now I equal to 2, in second iteration go here, and I equal to 2, 2 less than 4, it will retry again. It will go here, it will keep the retry and failure variable as yes. So this I have set the property based on the property value. This is based on the property value. So expression, again it will retry and go here, and second time, third time, fourth time 4 less than 4 false, right? Directly it will come. And so if it is false, then it will go to next branch. Okay, next branch it will send the mail to mail server. This is the mail server. Okay, guys, chalo read, first of all, we will, this is a server in on start state, right? First success case we will see, and next failure case we will see. Okay, deploy. This is success case, guys. I'm going to check. Yes, so many came. It's difficult to find. Oh, sorry, 15 so we'll deploy it again. Success case, this is files are not there, right? You have deployed again. You see, yeah, file came. If you go here, this is the first branch. See, guys, in first branch it is successfully executed, and it redirect to here retry, and it will go here. Now in second branch, go to second branch. See here, again it will started here and ended here. So this is no fail, right? So this local process call is not executed. Whenever it fails, then only it will come here, this this failure branch, and it will redirect to here, and it will retry again. Okay, guys, this is right. Suppose yeah, now I will stop the process. Stop it. I have stopped, right? Now I will deploy it. Okay, we'll see. Deployed, yeah, deployed successfully. It will processing, guys. It should try for 3 times. Fourth time it should send the mail, right? Here, if you come here, this is, I have seen my mail, right? Delete these mails. See, guys, it failed. So it should retry for 4 times. See, guys, see, this is the first branch. First branch means this, see, first integration process. This is the first integration process. Okay, see, it tries for 3 times. This is the first try. This is the first try. If you go here inside, see guys, this is first try. See, in first try, the count is how much? The count is 3. Okay, 1 minute, guys. See, guys, we will see one by one. This is trace. This is first failure. Okay, it came here, right? This is final count equal to 1. Okay, next one, next retry, right? We'll check count value, count equal to 2. Okay, and third, let's see here now, count equal to 3. Okay, and next fourth one, go here. Now see, count value, count value is 4. 4, right? That's why fourth time the this condition failed. Fourth time this condition failed. So Groovy sets on failure variable as this, on retry on failure variable as no. So if it is no, this condition will fail and it will go here and send the mail. Okay, 3 times done, or fourth time it's sent. So like this we can you know keep the limited retries. Okay, you can implement the limited retry. Suppose our client will ask us, so for every retry, suppose first time it failed, so don't retry immediately. At least keep 1 minute or half minute, or some seconds, 10 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Half minute means 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds, or else some 1 hour. So for every retry, keep some gap. So after failure, retry once, again it failure, again it fails. At least keep some gap after some time, after half an hour, after 15 seconds, like that you can retry. So that kind of mechanism they will ask. So in that case, if they ask, in that case how can we implement it? So how can we do that? Means we have a function, guys, sleep function. Okay, we have a function sleep function. Here we can, here, right, if it is fail, I will give sleep, 15,000. 15,000 means here 15 seconds. Okay, if we keep here 30,000 seconds, 30,000 milliseconds, this is the milliseconds, guys. 30,000 milliseconds means 30 seconds. 60,000 milliseconds means 1 minute. So I have kept 15,000 milliseconds. For every retry it will wait for 15 seconds. After it will retry, it will not retry immediately. So in real time we'll keep like, not 15, we will keep like some one, at least 1 minute, 60 milliseconds we will keep. 60,000 milliseconds means 1 minute it will wait, and it will retry for second iteration. It will retry for again 1 minute, third iteration, no, third iteration, again it will retry for fourth iteration, it will send the email. So this one also we'll check. Okay, I kept the sleep, right, function. Now say would have failed. Now I will deploy it again. Okay, here see, 22:17, right? 22:24 it started. See, processing. See, guys, I will check the gap. Okay, this second iteration I will check the gap. This is first message. Where it is? Yeah, this is also first message. Huh? It is ready. This one we will check. See guys, see it stopped the 15 seconds groovy script. After 15 seconds it processed to content modifier. Okay, 15 seconds groovy script executed 15 seconds, and then it went to next step. Also latest one we will check. This is latest one. Latest one, this is the third retry. Third retry the see 15 seconds, and it will go to router and process direct. So now what I will, it failed and it sent to message. See, send to message every after every 15 seconds. We can increase guys. We have kept 15,000, right? We can keep 60,000 milliseconds. If you keep 60,000 milliseconds, after every 1 minute it will retry for 3 times. Okay, so suppose again I will deploy, right? Let me, I will again deploy. It deployed successfully, right? See, 26. Array. See processing, right? This second iteration failed. In between, I will start the server. So for third or second or see, second attempt it's successful. Second attempt it's successful. We can see the new file here. See 10, 12, 26, 10, 26. 1026 successfully generated the file. After some multiple iterations, it successfully processed. 2 attempts. Okay, for second attempts, it successfully processed. This is how we can implement the retry mechanism, guys. Without JMS. Okay, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times you can retry. You can keep the retry interval also. This is called retry interval, guys. So using sleep function, we can keep the retry interval after every 1 minute or every 2 minutes or 4 attempts, 5 attempts, 10 attempts. Also, we can increase based on here. This is very simple groovy, guys. I read the I read the body along with the headers and properties. Okay, and I have stored the headers into one variable. Okay, also I get the some particular header value into one temporary variable, and also I will convert it into as an integer, and later if it is less than, so integer, so we can't compare, right? String value you can compare with the integer value. That's why I have converted into integer. 1 into 4, 2 1 less than 4, true, it will go here. Next time fails, 2 less than 4, go here. 3 less than 4, go here. 4 less than 4, false, it will go, and it will end, and it will send the mail to the particular users. Okay, this is the flow, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe and support me, guys. Also guys, I'm providing some trainings on CPA. If anyone is interested, you can reach out me on mobile number which is available in my channel description. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.